These are the B2s, SAs.
Okay.
So I got DD, AM running tool.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's up, man? Thank you for watching. You got a build around here? Where you at? Okay. All right, awesome, man. Yes, sir. Can I come in? Are you cooling off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, it's getting a little weak, but you'll be alright.
Yes, sir. Oh, this is a heavy door.
Yeah.
Nice. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in there?
Dude.
Okay.
These are the B2s, SAs.
Okay.
So I got DD, AM running tool.
Is it just one amp?
Yeah, it's just one.
Which one is it?
It's the 16K, but it's around 6 to 8K, 12 volt system.
Yes, sir.
And I got two Lithium 12Ks.
Nice. All right. How's your electrical, like your alternator battery?
270 and a 320.
Okay, dual alternator system. Any lithium or AGM?
Lithium, two 12Ks.
Okay, Cybers?
Cybers.
Okay, got it. All right, sorry, I just like to know everything.
Yeah,
I do a lot
I
of
know.
videos.
You did my other car before.
Yes, sir.
I had.
Who built this? This looks really good.
Jeff the guy over there, the Crossfires, the guys over there, they built it.
Okay.
And then Galen built the door pods. And
Yes, sir.
this.
Very nice. Looks good. Can I see the back, Brandon? Awesome. I like it. To open it. Woo. Are those 10s or 12s in the door? 12s. Wow. Nice. 4 12s.
That's the new jump.
Yeah, that's the 053 Z2b. And since you have all the subs on it, is that a certain
Bring that
impedance?
series at 1 ohm.
Series to 1 ohm on all of them. Okay, got it.
Got black wire. It's hot.
Oh, yeah.
She got it late.
I don't see it.
Nice.
No. One of the guys from Crossfire, they had
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Hey, we used to make one song, get high,
Cut it off.
blow shit, yeah.
Can I see your alternators?
Yeah.
Galen's a monster.
It's all good. It looks good, man. Is this the new technology?
Yeah, it's better to leak.
Sweet. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
And turn up the volume.
It's me, the regular. I'ma turn it down. He could fly. that he could fly.
That is really clean, windy, and it's efficient. You have a good cone area with like entry-level punchy subs, so you don't have a lot of motor force, but you have a lot of cone area to compensate. I like it. Looks really good, and it's really good sound. Appreciate the demo, man. Thank you very much.
That he could fly. Get the rest off one plate. Took it to the strip and blew it. Took a lot of teams as a view. Took it to my hotel room next door. Smoking on down, smoking on down. You see how it works, ain't no doubt. Pass me no regular. I'ma turn it down. All I blow is loud. All I blow is
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.